Are you looking for a perfect first-time buy or potential investment opportunity? I might have just the one for you. This is a 2-bedroom end-link property with a beautiful garden frontage in a fantastic location. Take a little look around the property and I'll speak to you soon. Well, we are inside this premium 2-bedroom property now, which comprises of a lovely sized kitchen diner at the back, beautifully appointed living space, nice entrance hallway with a WC, 2 bedrooms and family bathroom upstairs. So that was our property in Hygrove, a fantastic development and a cracking location in Swansea. If this is something of interest to yourself or somebody that you know, I'd be delighted to speak to you. I'm Dav Spear, this is my brand new listing, and I'll see you soon.